to all dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So as you all know that we were discussing about the different components of Microsoft Word program. So now we are going to learn what is the use of find and replace. This is one of the most commonly used feature of Microsoft Word. So let's start with Microsoft Word. I'm just going to open it. You just have to click on this start button, click on all programs, then here you just have to click on Microsoft Office, and now Microsoft Word 2007. So this kind of window will appear on your screen, as you will see here. Okay, so basically this is the window of Microsoft Word. Let me zoom in. Okay, so today we are going to do a very interesting and new topic related to Microsoft Word program, that is find and replace. Let me write here the topic. I will increase the font size. I will also change the font face, that is your whatever writing or style you are choosing. Find and replace. So this is basically your topic. I'm just going to select it, click on this centralized text so that the alignment will be in the form of center. So I'm just going to click on this center align. Okay, so now what is basically the use of find and replace? Hassan, can you tell me? Danish, can you tell me what is the use of find and replace? Dhyan, can you tell me what is the use of find and replace? Exactly, right. Find and replace is basically used if you want to replace a word with the other word. For example, let me give you an example. If I will write here, this is my first class. Okay, so as you can see here, I have write here, this is my first class. Now what will happen if I want to change my any of the word? So what I will do, if I want to change class with lesson, then how I can change it? It's very easy and simple. What you have to do, you just have to click on this option of find. As you can see here, you just have to click on this option of find. So as you can see, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Here you can see the option of find what you want to find. For example, in my whole document I want to find the class. Okay, I will type here class. So now the next option is replace. How you can replace it, and you just have to click on this option of replace. And when you will click on this option, as you can see, replace with. So in this box, in this bar, you have to type the word by which you want to replace your previous word. For example, let me type here lesson, and at the end you just have to click on this option of replace. So as you will see, when I will press on this replace all, it will automatically convert in your lesson. Class will convert in your lesson. So I will click on this replace. Okay, so this pop-up window basically shows Word has finished searching the document. That means the Word program has found only one search and he replaced that search according to your command or instructions. So now I will click on this option of OK. So in this way we can replace any of the word or sentence or a statement. So I hope this is clear to all the class. Let's try one more time, and this time Laiba, you have to help me. So what I should do? First of all, I should type a sentence, right? Okay. Next, Minahil, what is the next step? What is the next step, Minahil? Right, I have to type the sentence first. Let me type a paragraph. How I can insert a paragraph in Microsoft Word program? Is there any formula or any method by which we can insert a paragraph? or statements or lines? Minahil, is there any method? Right. So now what is the formula we are going to use, Ayan, Mahmood? Tell me. Which formula or which method we should use? Right. Very right. So what you have to do, you just have to press the sign of equal, R, A. Make sure you are typing in your small letters. R, A, N, D. Bracket open and bracket close. So when you will type and there is not any kind of space, is there any space group? No. So there is not any kind of space. Is equal, rand, bracket open, bracket close, and at the end what you have to do? Sikandar, what you should do to insert a paragraph? Right. What you will do, you will press enter at the end of your page. So as you can see, when you will press enter, automatically a paragraph will insert on your document. Let me change the font size. I will select all the paragraphs so it will be easy to look all paragraph in 1 or 2 pages. Okay, I have changed the font size. Okay, so now this is appearing in almost 2 pages. As you can see, you can also change the increase the font size or change it. I'm going to change it to 24. Okay, so now this is the paragraph. I'm going to replace some words from this paragraph with some other words. So what is the method? Sikandar, what is the method? Alvina, can you tell me what is the method? Right. What you have to do is very simple and easy. You have to click on this option of find. When you will click on this, you have to type your word. As you can see, the class word is your previous word which you have already typed, and you replace it with the word of lesson. So first of all, I am going to erase it, and here I am going to type a word from this paragraph. For example, let me change. You can easily change. So I'm going to pick up this word. Okay, so I will type here change. Okay, so here I'm going to type a word. The word is change. I'm just going to change this word. So let's change it, and let me see if the word is repeating in the document or not. So what I will do, I will type here change, CHANGE. Now what I will do, Fatma Abdul Sabur, what I will do? Right, I will click on this option of replace, and here I will change the word with edit. Okay, editing. Okay, I have changed the word of change with editing, and I will click on this option of replace all. So as you can see, the word window shows. It's a pop-up window which is showing Word has completed its search of the document and has made 4 replacements. That means Microsoft Word has found 4 words related to the word of change, and it has replaced. So would you like to continue? So I will click on this option of OK. And what I will do, I will click on this replace all, and I will click on this option of close. So as you can see, here is the word which I have changed with the word of editing. So इस तरह से हम Microsoft Word में easily अपने document की editing और changing कर सकते हैं. So this is not a difficult, it is very easy. What you will do, we will use this option of find and replace, and we will replace this any symbol, any word. Whatever you are typing in Microsoft Word, you can change it. Now let's change one more time. What is the change? Let me change the word now, items. Okay, so now I will change it. So let me highlight the word of items so that it will be clear to all of you in the way. So now what I will do click on this option of find. Then I will type here my word which I want to replace. I want to replace the word of this items. I will erase it. I will type items. Make sure the spellings should be the correct. If you are typing a wrong spelling, then it will not show you a correct answer. Items, items. Now click on this option of replace, or you can also click on this option of find next. Next what we should do. Okay, so now click on this option of replace. Here I will type elements. Okay, I have typed here elements and I will replace. Click on this replace all. So when I will click on this option of replace all, Word has completed its search of document and has made one replacement. So now what you have to do, you have to check your word is replaced or not, and you have to click on this option of close. So in this way you can change your word with any other word or any other new word. So this is very easy. And if you want to erase your multiple words, this is also very easy. Let me type, for example, as you can see, here is you, इसमें बहुत से words ऐसे हैं जो कि you से related हैं. So first of all, let me change the word you. So I will click on this option of find. I will type here you. As you can see, this is automatically selected. Why? Because I have selected this word. If I can select another word, it will show that word here. Okay, so I'm going to select this word of you. I want to see how many times I have typed the word of you. I will click on this option of find. Here is you. As you can see, here and here and here, you can see the word you. I will replace it with another words. Let me type here V, W-E-V, and I will replace all. So as you can see, the word pop-up window is showing Word has reached at the end of your document. That means Microsoft Word has completed all the document. 11 replacements were made. 11 replacements हो चुकी हैं. Do you want to continue searching at the beginning? So would you like to continue this process or not? You just have to click on this option of yes. Okay, so now close it. So as you can see, here U is replaced in V. यहाँ पर भी जहाँ जहाँ पर हमारे पास word you था, that is replaced with the word of you. We can also check from this bar, is it replaced or not? You can again search it. So in this way you can replace any of your word, any of your document with any other word. So I hope this lesson is clear to all of you. What you have to do, you just have to do the practice of find and replace. You have to find a word and replace it with another word. You can type any poem, any story, any essay, whatever you have in your book of social studies, science, you can type it and then you can share it with, and then you have to replace the specific words with another word. Now what you have to do, you just have to take a picture of your work before and after the applying of this feature find and replace. So I hope this lesson is clear to all the class, and if you have any question, then you can ask me in Google Classroom or in WhatsApp. Learn one more topic, that is your errors. As you can see on this web page, there are some errors. That means there are some words whose spelling are incorrect, or there any kind of grammatical errors. So let's see how we can correct it. Let me give you a simple example, then we will move to this lesson. Okay, let me write here This is my book. Okay, so as you can see, there is not any kind of mistake, but what or how we can find the mistake. Let's say I have typed the wrong spelling of book. Okay, so now as you can see, the spelling of book is wrong or incorrect. This is not the spelling of book, B-O-O-K. That is the correct spelling. So what I have typed, B-O-K-K. So this is the wrong spelling, and how I can find this is the spelling of wrong. Book is wrong. Can you tell me? Dian, can you tell me? Abul Hassan, can you tell me? Is it the spelling of book is true or wrong? How I can find it? Yes, it's also very simple and easy. What you have to do, you just have to correct you have to see the underline line here. As you can see, this is the spelling of word is of book of word book is wrong. So how I can find it? As you can see a red line on this under this word. So this is the wrong spelling. What I have to do, first of all, I have to check. I have to know the spelling of the book or not. Then other option, what is the other option? You have to click on this option on this word, in between this word, and then right click. As you can see, a list of menu will appear here. You can choose any word from this menu. Like I want to choose book, so I can click on this book option. So in this way we can change the spelling of book. So basically, as you can see, so red line basically indicates if there is any kind of spelling mistake, we can correct it and we can replace it. So this is also the feature of replace. So as you can see, WER, this is not any kind of word we are using in document. So this is WEV. So how I can correct it? If I know the spelling of we, I will type it, I will erase it. And if I want to change it or I want to replace it, again click on this word. And as you can see, when you will right click from your mouse, this I have get these options with the right click of mouse, right click, and here as you can see the option of WE. So I can choose the correct option from this document and I can replace it. Okay, one more error we find in Microsoft Word, that is the grammatical errors. Have you ever seen the green line under your words or your sentences? Zukruf, can you tell me, have you ever seen a green line under your words or sentences? Okay, you have seen. So that means what is the now use of green line that is appearing between below the words. So let me type a sentence here. I will type here okay. I have typed here I am a boy or I am a girl. So now what I can do, if as you can see this statement is correct, but if I will make a grammatical error, so it will show the green line. As you can see, I am a girl. So this is your wrong sentence. How it is wrong? So as this is a rule of English that when you are talking about a one person, I am, and this is girl. So when you are using for one person, you have to use is. And when there are a lot of people, many people, then you have to use the option of are. So because I have write the wrong sentence, wrong grammatical errors, that's why this line is appearing on the under the statement. So how I can change it? I will erase it. I am a girl. Or as you can see, I will right click. So when you will right click on this line or between these words, as you can see, it is showing a correct option. I am girl. So this is your correct answer. So in this way we can change the red line errors or green line errors. So what does red line basically shows? Red line shows there is a spelling mistake. And what is the use of green line? Green line shows is there any kind of grammatical error or grammatical mistake we are doing, so green line will appear. Have to you just I will give you a paragraph related to the spelling errors and grammatical errors. What you have to do, you just have to find out the spelling mistakes which will be shown in the color of red, and you also have to find the grammatical errors which will be in the color of green line. So you have to type the same word in Microsoft Word, and then you have to correct the mistakes of spelling and grammar, and then you have to share your Word file with me on Google Classroom. So I hope these two lessons are clear to all of you. What we have done today, find and replace. As you can see, this will appear on the home tab. Find and replace is basically used if you want to replace a word with a new word. So we can use this option of find and replace. And the next one is your red line and green line. So red line, basically, let me write here, red line error or green line error. So basically red line appears when there is a kind of spelling mistake, and green line appears basically when there is a grammatical errors or grammatical mistake. Okay, so I hope this lesson is clear to all of you. Now you just have to do the practice of your work which I have assigned to your Google Classroom, and then you have to share your homework with me on Google Classroom.